Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a very special anda channa. I'm going to share you the recipe. I'm going to take half cup of cooking oil. In that I'll add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let it fry for 2-3 minutes. Then I'm going to add pureed onions, 2 onions which I blended, and I'm going to add that and wait for it to become a bit brown. As you can see, the onions are cooked a bit for 5 minutes. I'm going to add garlic ginger paste 2 tablespoons. I'm also going to add tomato puree, and I'm going to add that and let it simmer and cook on a medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes. These are few spices I'm using. This is some coriander powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, garam masala, and salt, the basic spices that we require. As you can see, I've added all this. Now I'm going to add all the spices into the tomato mixture. As you can see, the spices are all blended in the tomato. At this point, I'll add some water. You can add half cup of water, more than 1 cup of water. I'm also going to add 2 cups of chickpeas, cooked chickpeas, and I'll add water, as you can see, and I'm going to let it cook because I want a thick gravy. Okay, so let it cook. As you can see that the oil is come in the front because it's cooking, and I'm going to let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, sorry. And now you can see that the consistency of the curry is really good. So I'm going to close the stove after 12 minutes after reaching this consistency. I'm also using 3 boiled eggs, and I'm going to add that and coriander leaves as well. As you can see, I have decorated with the eggs and coriander leaves. I hope you like this recipe. Subscribe.